Hello student, Hemant sir is here. Today we will continue with our trigonometric part. आज अभी तक हमने क्या देख चुका है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज की जो वैल्यूज है फॉर 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 45 डिग्री. अभी 90 डिग्री का देखना बाकी है. सो टुडे वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज फॉर द 90 डिग्री एंगल. ओके, सो लेट कंसिडर we have a triangle ABC. Here triangle we have A, B and C, and let this angle be of 30 degree, and this is the right angled. Okay, so this is of 90 degree, this is 30 degree. If we will see side AC is up to here, so if we will decrease the distance of BC, so our the length of AC will become here. Suppose this is the angle of 70 degree. Okay, for 70 degree, if we will reduce, so our C will become C dash. C will become C dash. So now if we will decrease the length of B in BC dash, then what will happen? So our angle will become, triangle will become like this only. So it will be C double dash. C double dash, and let this angle be of 85 degree. This angle be of 85 degree. So हम एक्चुअल में कर क्या रहे हैं, हम B और C का जो डिस्टेंस है वो कम करते आ रहे हैं. एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा, एट दैट टाइम AB, the length of AB will become equals to the length of AC. will become to the length of AC. अब फाइनली हमने क्या किया, इस एंगल्स को सबको हटा दिया, बिकॉज वी नीड दिस ओनली. ओके, वी नीड दिस ओनली. अब अगर हमने क्या किया, इसको और भी कम डिस्टेंस के ऊपर लेकर आ गया, यानी BC का डिस्टेंस हम रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं. सो आवर एंगल विल बिकम, ट्राइंगल विल बिकम लाइक दिस. ओके, अब यहाँ का जो एंगल है is approximately equals to 90 degree, is approximate equals to 90 degree. Then this angle will become 0. This angle will become of 0 degree. Okay, so we can say when theta equals to 90 degree, when theta equals to 90 degree, so at 90 degree we have to see the values of trigonometric ratio like sin theta. So we have sin theta. So sin theta, here theta equals to 90 degree. Then sin 90 degree equals to, then sin 90 degree equals to, we have sin theta equals to O upon HHA. We have sin theta equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. See, opposite side is AB, so we have to write AB divided by hypotenuse is AC, so divided by AC. Since here we have written as AB equals to AC, that means AB will become AC. Since AB equals to AC, so we can replace AC instead of AB here. So sin 90 degree equals to AB have already become AC, so we can write AC divided by AC. So AC and AC will get cancelled. So sin 90 degree equals to 1. Sin 90 degree will become 1. Okay, so this is the way we had to solve all the values of trigonometric ratios. Okay. So here I am writing all the trigonometric ratios with their values. So now we have to calculate all the values that we have derived on previous lectures. So here we have to decide angle. So angle for 0 degree, then we have derived for 30 degree, then we have derived for 30 after 45 degree, then 60 degree and last but not the least is for 90 degree. And here we had trigonometric ratios. First is sin theta. Here theta equals to 0, theta equals to 30, we can decide. Then we have cos theta. Then we have tan theta. Then we have, after tan theta, we have cosec theta. Then we have sec theta. And last but not the least is cot theta. Okay, so these trigonometric ratio we have, and these are the different angles that we have to decide the values of ratios at different angles. So we have seen the value of sin theta at 0 degree. What is it? It is 0. Then sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. Then sin 45 degree is 1. Sin 45 degree is 1, is it? No. It is 1 by root 2. It is 1 by root 2. Then sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree is 1. Okay. So for cos theta, this value of cos theta will for 0. So here we have to write 1. Then root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by root 2 will be here, 1 by 2 is here, and 0 is here. Okay, and we know sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta equals to 0 divided by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So if we will divide this fraction to this fraction will go into multiple form, then 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the value of tan 30 degree will be 1 by root 3. Here we will get 1. See, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Then here will be root 3, and here see, 0 divided by 1 means we have the number on division for the 0. 0 के डिवाइड में 1 है ना, तब इसकी वैल्यू 0 होती है. बट अगर किसी नंबर के डिवाइड में 0 होता है तो उसकी वैल्यू कैसी होती है? नॉट डिफाइन, या हम कहते हैं इनफाइनाइट होती है. सो 1 डिवाइड बाई 0 विल बिकम इनफाइनाइट और नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, cosec theta is opposite to sin theta. So if it is 0, then it is not defined. If it is 1 by 2, then will become 2 by 1, that means 2. Here 1 by root 2 will become root 2. Here root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3, and 1 will become 1. Here sec theta is opposite of cos theta, so 1 will become 1 only. Root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 will become root 2. 1 by 2 will become 2 only, and infinite will become 0. 1 by 6, 0 will become infinite. Now we have cot theta. Cot theta is just opposite of tan theta. So 0 will become infinite. Then 1 by root 3 will become root 3. 1 will become 1. Root 3 will become 1 by root 3. And infinite will become 0. Okay. So these are the values of different trigonometric ratio at different angles. So these values are going to use in our next solved problems as well as in exercise practice set 8.2. okay, so this is the very important part. This is the very important because this part is going to use in our solved problem as well as when we will solve our practice set 8.2. okay, so this point you have to remember. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Now let's solve first example on the basis of these different trigonometric ratios at different angles. Okay, so we have first example, it is 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree and minus sin 60 degree. So we had to solve this question now. So we have solution. We have to write solution now. We have question 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree. So what is 2 into tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree is 1. So we have to write here 1 plus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So we have to write root 3 by 2 minus we have sin 60 degree minus sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So we have to solve now. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus, see, root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 will become 0. So we have to write 0. So we finally got 2 answer. Okay, so we can say 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 30 degree minus sin 60 degree is equals to 2. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So likewise, like this you have to solve very simple question. For that you have to remember all these values. Okay, फर्स्ट लेक्चर में हमने देखा था कि सारे के सारे वैल्यूज़ को हम डिराइव कैसे करते हैं. सो इफ़ you want to learn, you can learn by, you have to mark by heart only. Otherwise you have to derive the values that we have seen in our first video of trigonometry. So अगर किसी को ये कैसे डिराइव करना है, अगर ये जानना है, so इस हमारे फर्स्ट जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की वीडियो है उसको आप जाकर फिर से देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट टू सॉल्व this type of questions. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write. Okay, this is the first problem which is solved in your textbook. Now we are going to solve the second solved problem which is given in page number 110 of your textbook. It says find the value of cos 56 degree divided by sin 34 degree. Okay, so we have to solve now. So solution, we have cos 56 degree divided by sin 34 degree. Okay, so we know sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. फॉर्मूले में हमने देखा था कि sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So here we had to understood first the angle of 56 degree for cos theta plus sin 34 degree will become 90 degree. अभी 90 डिग्री का मेजर आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स ये कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है. अगर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है सो वी कैन यूज दिस फार्मूलाज. ओके, दिस फार्मूलाज इज फॉर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ एंगल्स. सो sin theta equals to we have cos 90 minus theta, but here the theta is 34 degree, so we can write here since theta equals to 34 degree, for which ratio? For sin theta. Therefore we can write sin 34 degree. The measure of angle theta is 34 degrees, so we have to write 34 here, equals to cos 90 minus theta, that means 90 minus what is theta? It is 34 degree. 90 degree minus 34 degree. So we have to solve now. So sin 34 degree equals to cos, see, 90 minus 34 is 56 degree. See, here we got sin 34 degree equals to cos 56 degree. So we can place this value on this formula. Okay, so what we have question, it is cos 56 degree divided by sin 34 degree. This is the question that we had to derive the value. So here we have cos 56 डिग्री डिवाइड बाय सी, यहाँ पर साइन 34 डिग्री है और साइन 34 डिग्री के बराबर क्या आ रहा है, कॉस 56 डिग्री बाय द एंगल ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. सो वी कैन राइट हियर कॉस 56 डिग्री. So this portion and this portion will get cancelled by 1. Therefore we got value 1. Therefore we have the answer now. So we have to write cos 56 degree divided by sin 34 degree equals to 1. Okay. So this is the answer. So like this you have very simple questions in your exercise. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. So today here we are going to complete our session. So you have homework for work at home. So the question number first of your exercise 8.2, it is very simple one. It says, the question first of your exercise says, in the following table a ratios is given in each column. So in each column one of the three ratios from sine, cos and tan is given, and on that basis you have to identify the values of other ratios. Okay. So here we have sine, cos and tan. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 columns we have. So you have to solve for each columns. अगर ये बनेगा तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज हम इसको कल सॉल्व करेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके. सो आपके लिए जो होमवर्क है वो है सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में हमको क्या करना है, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज ऑन द गिवन कंडीशन. यहाँ पर दिया है 5 साइन 30 डिग्री प्लस 3 tan 45 डिग्री. सो जो चार्ट के वैल्यूज हमने निकाले थे उस चार्ट में आपको वैल्यूज पुट देखना है और पुट करके क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. सो बहुत ज़्यादा इजी क्वेश्चन है जो आपको दिए हुए हैं. ओके. सो सेकेंड वाला जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें 6 सब क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं जो आपके लिए होमवर्क है. ओके. सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.